Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making oven roasted pork tenderloins. Alright, I'm starting out here with 2 pork tenderloins. And I'm going to spray them down with a little bit of olive oil. Just got to pump this up, guys. Get some pressure on it. Let me grab a pair of tongs. Turn these over. I'm going to spray the other side with olive oil. This will do 2 things. This will help them fry. We're going to brown them first, and this will help the spices stick. Now I'm going to keep my seasoning simple. I have this Badia complete seasoning. This is onion powder, garlic powder, monosodium glutamate, which I love. Makes food delicious. Salt, herbs, and spices. I'm going to sprinkle this on here. And this stuff isn't expensive, guys. This was only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. You might even be able to get it for $1 at Walmart, I don't know. And I'm going to put a little bit of rosemary on here. Rosemary goes good with pork. Also goes good with chicken. I'm going to turn these over and season the other side. And I have my cast iron skillet over here preheating over medium heat. When it comes to cast iron, you don't need a lot of heat because it gets hot and it holds it fast. Alright, let's get these into the skillet. Alright, now I'm going to add a little more olive oil into my skillet. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. We'll just go ahead and move that around. And if you don't have a cast iron skillet, guys, stainless steel or a good non-stick skillet will work just as fine. Now I'm going to get my pork tenderloins in here, and I'm going to brown both sides up till they get nice and golden brown. Alright, now that my pork tenderloins are all nice and browned up, and I browned them on all sides, I have my heat off. I'm going to tent these in foil. That'll keep them moist so they don't dry out. And I'm going to put them in a 375 degree oven for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes are up, I'll check them with the meat thermometer. We want to get them up to 145 degrees. Alright, this just came out of the oven. It went for the full 30 minutes. I checked it for temperature. It's about 165, 170. It probably could only went for 20 minutes, but it still looks pretty juicy. I'm going to pull it out of the pan, plate it up, and tent it with foil, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we'll fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some cornbread stuffing with some gravy over top and corn on the cob to go with this. Let me get in here and try this pork loin. Nice and tender, moist, well seasoned. That seasoning's really delicious on there, guys. And that, you know, it probably could have went for 25 minutes, 25 minutes, but I don't mind it the way it is because it's still moist and tender. Alright, there you have it. Oven roasted pork tenderloin. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.